utilizing high-quality ADC12 die-cast aluminum alloy material. The inner ring is detachable, reducing installation time by 20% and lowering maintenance costs. The adaptable 3-light source setup facilitates effortless transition between GU10, GU5.3, and MR16 module types. Durable industrial-grade quick connectors allow for easy, tool-free installations, reducing electrical labor by 30%. The modular system allows for the replacement of individual components rather than the entire luminaire, leading to a 35% reduction in overall expenses over a 5-year span.